I'm Gloria with AGreenerClean, and today we will be discussing our vacuum cleaner and some tips and tricks. This is the Miele canister. It's the Electro Powerline version. This is the canister itself. The hose pops off like this. You won't really need to take your hose off the unit, but I did want to show you this here has a little wire that plugs in. And if this gets unplugged, here, your power head for the carpet won't have power to it. So if you notice that your power head is not working, check and make sure this little plug is plugged into the side here. If you just pop it open, just like so, this is where you're going to change the bag. These filter bags, they're made of this soft cloth. They hold and trap dust really well. To take it out, you just pull down on this little ring and you pull the bag out just like so. And this goes in the garbage. This whole thing goes in the garbage. Line up your arrows, they're pointing up. Slide it in, and it's going to make a little click. And it just fits in just like that. Every 4 or 5 bags that you change, you're going to want to look inside your box for these filters, okay? You see the little scissor. You're going to want to look behind the bag. I'll take the bag out so you can see a little bit better. But behind where the bag is, you can pull down on here, just like that. And this filter needs to be replaced every so often. Like I said, maybe when you've gone through your box of bags, make sure that you replace this filter in here. You can refer to another video as far as more detailed instructions on changing out the filter and the bag, but I just wanted to go over that real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and put that away. This is your hose, and this here are your little onboard attachments. Your hose connects to your wand, and it's a telescopic wand, so you can press this little black button and it gets longer and shorter. You can adjust it so that it's comfortable for you. All right, so it attaches like this, and you can see where it lines up. Just watch and then push it in. And then to take it off, put your finger here and squeeze, and you can pull it apart, okay? So you can add attachments to the end of the wand, okay? This is nice when you're doing baseboards like this. The crevice tool here is nice for sucking up along the edges of carpet or any other areas like that. This is your upholstery tool. It's really nice for vacuuming sofas, fabric chairs. I like to pop it on directly onto here like this, and I can vacuum. I vacuum off this chair right here. This helps get the pet fur off. And make sure that you vacuum off your attachments as they start to get dirty while you're cleaning. You might have to do this several times, while you're cleaning. Just gonna go ahead and plug this in and show you the cord. Each canister vacuum comes with a retractable cord. You press the little button here, the paddle, and it sucks right back up. Now be careful If you're not holding on to the end of the cord and you suck it up, it could smack the side here. And over time, that could damage the cord. Also, when you're pulling it out, I want you to pull on this part. Don't pull on this right here, because this could come loose. Same with when you're plugging it in and you're pulling it out of the wall. Don't pull it like this out of the wall. You want to grab it here and pull it out of the outlet like that. So I'm going to go ahead and unwind my cord, plug it in, attach my wand to my hose, and let's see. This here, if I was doing carpet, this is one of the carpet heads. There's two different style carpet heads. This one's adjustable with the height. You can adjust it up and down. This is our parquet tool. That's what they call the hard floor brush. It's got these bristles on the one end of it here. It's great for doing hardwood floors or tile in bathrooms. And your power is this paddle right here. Go ahead and turn it on. Interesting. You know what? Control. This dial, minimum and maximum. If you've got a really thick carpet that you're vacuuming, you're going to want to turn your suction down. And that's going to help you to be able to push it along the carpet, and it's going to help not to burn out your belt that's in your carpet head. Also, if you're doing a real thin carpet, you're going to want to also turn down the suction so you don't suck it up into the vacuum. So easy. That you also pop this off and suck out the debris and the dust. You might need to get a little comb and brush it out. Take your EnviroCloth, wipe it off. Keep your vacuum clean. Same with the carpet head. It's very important that you get some scissors and you cut out the hair and the fuzz and everything that collects in this brush roller. You're going to want to cut that out and clean it. You're going to want to take a cloth and just wipe off the bottom here. Keep your wheels clean. Never roll this outside. It could pick up dirt, little rocks, any hard pieces, and then it could scratch the floor. So always make sure that your wheels are nice and clean so they don't damage anyone's floors. And if in doubt, you have any questions while you're using the machine or need help troubleshooting, just contact your manager. But that's pretty much it for the vacuum cleaner.